Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I can't tell you how tickled I am today to be showing you my Makies doll, of which I never thought I'd have, doing a collab with Lorraine from Where the Dolls Dwell, Penny from Playful Doll Adventures, Joni from Joni's Doll Photography, J Dolls UK, and Dory's Dollies. I am so excited to be doing this. And we made Christmas dresses for our little Makies dolls. Let me show you what I made. I love this doll. Honest to God, I thought I'd never have one of these dolls. When I got her, I didn't know what to expect. And I was surprised, not in a bad way, just she wasn't exactly what I expected. I love her. I had trouble with her wig, and J Dolls UK, God love her, she's helped me out in so many ways, had bought a silicone wig cap for hers, and I thought, my goodness, I use those for my Smart Dolls. How did I not think of it for my Makies dolls? So I got one for my little Chickadee, that's her name, Chickadee, and look, her wig stays on. And I just tied it back loosely because I love it. I just love it all. I had this fabric saved. A few years ago, Tammy Polly at Peacecraft Dolls sent me this Christmas fabric. I absolutely love it, and I never could find it anywhere else. I would have bought 4 yards. The Christmas bicycle, that's, Darren and I live on the Katy Trail in Missouri, and our whole house used to be decorated in bicycles, and we have a lot of Christmas bicycles. So this really meant a lot. I added the green to bring out the green in it, and, you know, Christmas, and the pink, and I hated it. Well, I didn't hate it, but I didn't like it. I thought it added too much pop and crackle and snap while it was at it, and then Darren made this little stand for my doll, and it really pulled the whole thing together, and now I absolutely love it. And I can't thank Tammy enough. Like I said, I saved that fabric back, and I'm so glad I did. Uh-oh, I knocked down a reindeer. I just love this fabric. Oh, I think she's a doll. Darren made this for something else to check the size, and it came out just perfect for my little Makies doll, so I painted it up. It may not be perfect, but I did the best job I could. And now she has a little reindeer to stand with this Christmas. And ladies, I cannot thank you enough. Every channel will be listed in the description. I do hope you'll go by and watch every channel. Thank you, Lorraine, Penny, Joni, Jay, and Dory. I'm so excited to have my doll, and I hope we do more collabs in the future. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.